One of our US users wants to know how to check distances in a gCADPlus drawing. Here's a US example, and she wants to know which tool to use to check the distance between a boundary line and a building. Well, if you come up here to the distance tool, pick it and use the OSNAP nearest, which is this little symbol over here, and just snap to the boundary line, and then pick the OSNAP perpendicular, and then you can pick the outer skin of the wall. So you can see that if you go to the perpendicular to the outer skin, it's 13 feet. Come over here, it's 13.583 feet. So the distance command gives you the tool that you want, but it doesn't actually put anything into the drawing. There is an allied tool called the area tool, which works in much the same way. So we can pick one point and then use an end OSNAP to here. Notice how the yellow line is being drawn, so I can come here and then go across to this point here, so that it provides you with a running total of an area, but the yellow line doesn't go into the drawing proper, and the information that comes from both of these is reported on screen and down in the command area. Another option you might find useful is to right click and then go to drafting settings, select polar tracking and set your distance step to 1/4 of a foot. So each time we move the cursor, we're going to move 3 inches. So we'll say OK. If we use the L shortcut for line and I draw from the front of that vehicle, can you see as I'm moving up, I'm jumping at incremental steps, so I can just check distances even as I'm drawing. It's related, if you like, to the distance command itself. But of course, when I click, it sets a line of that particular distance, and I'll just refresh the screen, pick that line. Can you see its length is 12.5, so it's 12 feet 6 inches long.